my name is Mrs. S. Naidu. I'm from Mount View Secondary. I'm an English educator. I take grades 8 right up to 12. My experience during the program was actually quite exciting to find many learners getting together from various schools and sharing ideas. And also I think the program is essential in teaching learners how to cope, especially with study programs and things like that. And I know the information was beneficial to me because I'm a parent myself, and I actually took some of the information home with me and shared it with my son. And coincidentally, he told me that he did meet with you because you did come and see Mitchford Primary, that is, sometime last year. So, thumbs up to you guys.
Did it make a difference in your students' lives?
Well, I'm certain, because I noticed the very next day they seemed to be a little quieter in class and sat in the front, and probably it hit home. So, I guess it's going to show in the next assessment.
Fantastic.